There's two parts we will be loading in this video. They're mirrored images of each other and they'll both be loaded on the same fixture. Balloon 2 is an important feature. The loading instructions are meant to control that dimension. We will explain later in the video how we control it. First, I'm going to clean off all the fixture registers with the air hose and make sure that there's no chips. Wipe them off if you need to. Just want to make sure that these clamps are pushed up and down all the way. Make sure that they're tight enough to where they won't move when you load the part. So now we're taking our part, we're going to slide it in between the clamps. Taking our shorter 30,000th shim, lift the part up and slide it underneath. Now taking our longer shim, slide it under that, push it against the rest, and then pull this top side. Okay, and then hold here so the part doesn't move. Using your wrench, tighten slightly the bottom clamp first, and then the top clamp. Now remove the side shim. Make sure that the part doesn't move, and then pull out the bottom. Now we're going to torque the bottom clamp to 65, and now the top clamp to 65. Now torque it to 120. Torque the bottom clamp first, and then the top clamp. These are the feeler gauges we're going to be using to check the load. First, we're going to start with the 30, which is the same size shim that we use to load. So check this bottom one. It goes. This load on here is good. Doesn't go there, so we're going to go to the next one, which is 25. Still doesn't go. Go to the next one, 20. That one's good. Our load is within 10 thou difference of each other. We had a 30 go on the bottom and a 20 on the top. So our load is good within 10 thou. Checking with the feeler gauges is how we control balloon 2 on the print that we discussed earlier. Here we had 30 thousandths, and on the top we had 20, which is a 10 thou difference. That is going to be our max that we can have loaded on this part. Any more and the part will need to be reloaded.